What is due diligence? Due diligence is a period of time between when you sign a contract and when you move on to the next stage. And in that, it's usually 7 to 10 days, depending on how the contract's written. And it's things like this. Homeowners insurance, what's the cost? You want to make sure it's not in a flood zone. You don't want a surprise of $6,000 or $7,000 for home insurance because it's in a flood zone. You need to make sure the title's clear. Have your title company do that work for you. You get to research condo docs. Let's say you're buying an investment property and in the condo docs say, no short-term rentals. There goes Airbnb. So all of those things are part of your due diligence, and we help you with all that, but you have 7 to 10 days, depending on how the contract's written, to make sure that you're doing your due diligence. At that point, you're not under any obligation. So if you find something that's not right, for example, no short-term rentals if you're buying an investment property, or there's some docs on if it's a condo, some of the docs and the way it's written doesn't work for you, or maybe there's an encroachment or a shared driveway and they've got a neighbor that's going to be a complete pain in the backside. Those are the kind of things you can say, you know what, I'm done, get my deposit back, let's move on to the next one. So your due diligence period, super important.